Hello children, today we will study chapter 45, that is plants, our green friends. So children, all of you open your GK book, page number 60. Dear children, the role of plants and trees in our lives are very important. They are not only sources of food for living things, they also provide us many other useful things. It absorbs carbon dioxide and release oxygen from their leaves, which humans and other animals need to breathe. Children, in this chapter, two columns A and B are given. In column A, some clues are given. You read these clues and try to understand, and after that you try to find out the correct answer from column B, where some plant's name is given. Okay, now let us read. The first point is, a paste of this is used to treat skin problems, headache, fever and inflammation. Okay, now see, inflammation. Inflammation is a process by which your body's white blood cells and the things they make protect you from infection from outside invaders such as bacteria and viruses. So children, the correct answer is option D, that is sandalwood. Okay, now see, second point, its root is dried, ground and added to food. It is a powerful antiseptic and also acts as a healer. What the correct answer? Option F is correct answer, that is turmeric. Now see number 3. Apart from having a cooling effect, a paste of its leaves gives a dark red color to our skin. The correct answer is option H, that is henna. Okay. Number 4, you see, India is the largest producer of this spice. It helps cure indigestion, nausea, cough, fever and constipation. Children, you see here nausea. Nausea, it is a feeling that you are going to vomit. Okay. And constipation, it is a disease. It occurs when bowel movements become less frequent and stools become difficult to pass. Here one word is bowel. What the meaning of bowel? It is one of the tubes that carries waste food away from your stomach to the place where it leaves your body. So, what is the correct answer? The correct answer is option A, that is ginger. Now see number 5. A strong smelling resin is obtained by making cuts on its roots. It is a useful remedy for indigestion and is used to flavor food. The correct answer is option C, that is asafoetida. Here one word is remedy. What the meaning of remedy? Children, something that makes a better when you are ill or in pain. Okay. And the other word is resin. What the meaning of resin? It is a sticky substance that is produced by some trees and is used in making varnish, medicines, etc. Now see number 6. This small green herbs gives us menthol. It is largely used in medicines for stomach disorders, cough and in mouthwashes. Children, what is the meaning of herbs? A plant whose leaves, seeds, etc. are used in medicines or in cooking. That is called herbs. So, the correct answer is option G, that is mint. Now see number 7. It is used as both herb and spice. It is a common ingredient in many curries. It also helps control diabetes. And then correct answer is option E, that is fenugreek. Now see number 8. The dried beans from this tropical tree give us a nutritious substance that we drink with milk. The correct option is option B, that is cocoa. Okay children, now see at last point is given. Vanilla flowering comes from the pod of an orchid Vanilla planifolia. What the meaning of pod? Pod means the long green part of some plants such as peas and beans that contains the seeds. Though the pods are called vanilla beans, they are more closely related to corn than green beans. And next point is, the word pineapple comes from European explorers who thought the fruit combined the look of a pine cone with flesh like that of an apple. So, children, that was the explanation of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice and wonderful day.